Hey, it's Benjamin here with Safe Drive Solutions today. Let's talk about a budget or good dash camera. So, you want to buy a dash camera. Do you buy a budget or good dash camera? What is the difference? Let's explore. So, SD card. Oftentimes we see a deal too good to be true. 1080p dash camera for $69. It arrives in the mail. There's no SD card in the box. Similar to the gift with no batteries included. Safe Drive Solutions offers all their products complete with SD card in the box. Some of them may only include a 16 gigabyte SD card, but they still include what is needed for your system to work. Also, keep an eye out on storage limitations. For example, a lot of budget dash cameras only support a 32 or 64 gig SD card. As a result, good dash cameras will support 128 gig SD card or higher. Why this matters is because you can go from only having recording capacity of like 1 hour, 2 hours, to 8 to 16 plus hours of continuous record time. No Wi-Fi. So most budget dash cameras do not have Wi-Fi option, which in turn makes you have to bring the SD card into your house to view any footage. Keep that in mind when selecting your dash camera. A Wi-Fi enabled dash camera will allow you to download footage directly to your phone, making it easy to share with friends, family, social media, or the insurance company. Most good dash cameras support Wi-Fi. 24-hour video surveillance. Budget dash cameras like to advertise 24-hour video surveillance. However, they only come with a cigarette lighter power cord. So a couple things to consider. One, does your new car, cigarette lighter turn off when the ignition is off? A lot of vehicles don't. A lot of new vehicles do not even have cigarette lighter plugins. So is it even going to be compatible with your vehicle? 3, low battery protection is not supported on cameras when using a cigarette lighter power cord. 4, if it is recording 24 hours a day, where is the power coming from? Because it's coming from your battery. And if there's no low battery protection, it's going to kill your battery sooner or later. 5, if your SD card only stores 2 hours of record time, how will it catch an incident that took place 12 hours prior in the middle of the night? Our goal is to educate customers and to look out for their best interests. Do you buy a budget or a good dash camera? In short, the choice is yours, and every lifestyle is different. Know what you are getting. Ask questions and do your research. Exterior rear camera. A lot of the budget-friendly dash cameras come with an exterior rear camera. Why would you want this? Firstly, most newer vehicles come with a reverse camera on the vehicle already. So why do you want another camera mounted on the rear of the vehicle? It can get crowded very quickly. Secondly, it is exposed to the elements, requiring you to clean it off frequently. We recommend having a camera inside your rear window. This allows you to utilize rear defrost or windshield wipers, if it's a hatch, to clear your view. The one last reason why we feel you might want an exterior rear camera is because you might have an older vehicle that isn't equipped with a factory rear camera, and I can totally understand that. But unfortunately, the majority of the newer vehicles, they already have a factory rear camera, and to go and add another camera to it starts getting very crowded quickly. To sum up, a lot of budget dash cameras do not include a hardwire cable, SD card, Wi-Fi capabilities, or a GPS antenna. We recommend researching price of install, whether all parts are included, and what you want out of a dash camera. We have charged upwards of $300 to install some budget-friendly dash cameras because there's a lot of accessories missing that we need to supply. Your $69 just turned into $369 plus tax installed, when you could have gotten one that had a lot of these new technologies, already had all the parts, and typically got it installed for around the same price. Keep that in mind when you're searching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or post some comments below on the YouTube video. Cheers.